Well, you've already done it, so you've done the whole thing, huh?
I mean, I'm usually riding down like my grandmother would.
Yeah, well, hey.
All right, what's up, dudes? I am back here at the Zen Trailhead, St. George, Utah, one of my favorite places. I'm meeting up with Jeff from the internet. You may know him from such videos as Goofing on Guac or Mesas with Massholes, where we rode Gooseberry Mesa. But he hasn't done Barrel Ride Trail. This isn't Barrel Roll Trail, that's up at Cove Wash. This Barrel Ride that leads to the infamous Waterfall. I'll link to all sorts of videos about that. But you got kind of like a clover leaf here. So you got Zen off here, you got Barrel over there. And if you go up and over this bluff, you got Bear Claw, Poppy, and all that. So you kind of get like a little clover leaf situation, dude. You can kind of mix and match, and it's a lot of how they do the True Grit course itself. But today we're doing Barrel Ride, and then if we have the energy, we'll do Zen. I'd probably split it into 2 videos. You've probably seen some of the stuff before, but we're gonna stop and try to get like more nuanced with the rock moves and get all rock with you.
Yeah.
I mean, this starts out with a lot of climbing, and it's mostly okay, and then it does get hard. But it's nice. So this,
you're climbing Fire Road, yeah?
Mostly, yeah.
I mean, this is every ride in California. You start with a 5-mile Fire Road climb.
It's just a nice Fire Road climb.
I don't know how much endurance.
That's where the climb sort of gets painful. All right, so now you don't normally have the markings here, but this is the turn. Yeah, this is kind of where it turns into an actual trail. Yeah, it's kind of stay left.
Oh, sick.
And then,
oh, it doesn't even need the bumper.
I don't think this left line is maybe easier going in, but here, you know, this isn't actually that sketchy.
This looks fun.
So, yeah, you come all the way to the right. I find this gets a little bucky.
Okay.
Yeah, see how you're standing on that shelf?
So you go here.
So that kicks your rear wheel up, I found. So if you snuck in right line, then that would probably be pretty smooth.
But you want to end up in that gully.
Yeah, so this is super smooth.
Yeah.
So then you can you go through there, not all the way right. But man, during the race, I saw people do it every way wrong and still work it out, and for the most part.
Second waterfall that's
this is not the actual sketchy part of the waterfall. You can go either way, so probably faster to drop to the inside here, but maybe a little safer to go to the outside.
right where Jeff
But
is.
then you basically just don't want to be on the right line.
The right
That's
line
the walking line.
no
So
bueno.
you can line up. White dot is good here. So there's that big cheater rock, like that ramp rock. And then right here. So, and then here, you can either, like if you're nice and in control,
That looks kind of like the.
you know, you can kind of go through, like pick your way through there, or stay left, and then try to line up. There is another little helper rock here, and then you just gotta let it go over this. And this has also been filled in a little bit too.
That looks a little. But so you don't want to come down on this rock.
No, yeah, I mean, so I did see people, you know, come right off this and then bounce down and make it, but
you want to stay where Jeff is.
I like this line. I mean, I think this is probably the safer line. There's less, because people, I'd say most crashes occurred going off the end of this, but probably because people were coming in this way or too far left and then just getting screwed up. Nice, dude. Yeah. Oh shit, you're nice. Nice. I'll try to go across to the other line. Just for the hell of it. Yeah, that's definitely more civilized. All right, stay right here. That's Greg's breathing, not mine. Up here. And a little, nice. Huh?
You let that drop, right?
I think it's rollable. Yeah, right there, yeah. Not the way the course goes. You're riding great, man.
Thanks, dude. It's the rascal.
Yeah. That's how Chris. It's the rascal, dude. I haven't found a good line yet. Yeah. That wasn't a bad line, actually. It's better than the last two. I've done it twice. Your line there was better than my line.
I was going in way too hot.
I go in and I just smash shit.
I was going in way too hot.
Yeah, well, it worked out. You just straight line through. It's still a little awkward, but didn't suck too bad. Oh shit! Oh no! Get it!
Get it, girl!
Going up. Yeah, that's good to know that's coming. I can sit right here. Head. This is still barrel. I feel like barrel 2.0, or just something I didn't know was here. Is that a phone? What? All right, so that was barrel ride. What do you have to say about barrel ride? How was that?
It was fun.
First time barrel ride.
It was fun. It was chunky. It was fast. It was everything I could have hoped for, and more.
Are you gonna do it again?
Hell yeah, dude.
All right. It's not my favorite ride. It doesn't get going until like halfway through.
Fair.
Like, it's a lot of climbing. Then you got to do the waterfall. I'd rather do Zen if I had my druthers. All right, and cut.
Give it one more time, Tommy.